To find some inspiration for some landscapes and ideas is to go on Pinterest. I love just going on Pinterest and looking at images and then start building some boards out. I just typed in landscapes in the search bar and you can see we've already got some nice mountainscapes, canyons, trees, valleys, lakes, so much different types of, sceneries you can choose. So this is a great way to start getting some images or even go out, to a local area that's like in the open, that's sort of rural, and you can find some nice pictures and even use that to create a nice simple landscape just by using simple shapes. So you can see here I'm loving these type of looks. I love this type of canyon, these nice rocks. See how you got this nice shape here, and then we got these other shapes here. Look at the forms and the shapes and look at places where you can actually build out the shapes easily. You don't want to get something too complicated but something that's really simple. So here's a quick way to get some inspiration to find some nice landscapes.